Hello everyone, welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine. So first of all, we simply introduce one by one, okay, then we start our today's session. So in the introduce section, simply mention your name, your country name, your affiliation also try to add, it will be more better, okay. So one by one, simply introduce, please, and we try to make an interactive session, okay. So please.
Hello everyone, I hope you all can hear me. I am Chamatka Devaratna and my home country is Sri Lanka. Currently I am studying my master's degree in Canada at the University of Saskatchewan. My background is from statistics, and so I am especially completely new to spatial analysis. That's why I joined today.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, next please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Mahmoud Ibrahim. My home country is Nigeria. I am currently a PhD student working on geospatial application, how to analyze oil exploration impact on the environment.
Okay, great. Yeah, next please.
Hello everyone.
Hello, my name is Konko Yao. My home country is Togo in West Africa. Currently, I'm working in Guinea Republic at the Wild Chimpanzee Foundation. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Frederic. My home country is DRC in Central Africa. Actually, I'm working as a civil engineer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Emmanuel Enin Ejay, and I'm from Ghana. I'm at Moscow. I'm studying my master's in climate project management. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, next please. Okay, so let's go. We'll start today's session. So first of all, I will try to explain our total course contents. Okay. So basically, after completing the 7 days training session, what you will learn from me, I'll try to explain step by step. Then we start today's session. And in this session, basically, I try to focus for beginners who don't have any knowledge about the coding, mainly Python, JavaScript. If you have totally zero knowledge in the coding, don't worry about that. I hope after completing the total full 7 days training session, you are become a developer on Google Earth Engine. Okay, and you can easily do different types of analysis very quickly and efficiently using the Google Earth Engine. Okay, so our main target, all of you become a developer on Google Earth Engine, and you can do different types of analysis. Okay, for the different sector. Okay, so let me share my screen. Just